Hello and welcome to Fallen Tree 124. I've got an exciting video for you today of how to make apple cider. It's one of those things I've always wanted to do, and this year just happened to be the year I decided to do it. I had the apples, had the time to build a press, which I'll share in the link of the description. We got a video of how I built it, along with the apple grinder that I used to grind the apples.
Okay, go ahead.
So the first thing we did was we put a bag into the fruit press. Then we gathered some apples and started grinding them to make up a mash. And just by grinding them, without even pressing them yet, you can hear the cider dripping.
Go ahead and lift that off there. Yeah, just lift the whole thing off.
And this is what the apples look like after running them through the grinder. So our next step was to close up the bag and start pressing the apples to see how much we could get. So I found this experience to be very rewarding and memorable, sharing it with my family. But I'd only think of one thing that would make it just a little bit more memorable. And that's the first taste of the cider straight out of the press.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. What about you?
I always thought it'd be a little harder to make cider taste so good, but it practically makes itself. And all that's left is to take the mash out and feed it to the deer. So I hope this inspires you to take that step to make your own apple cider. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share it with your friends. And be sure to watch more of my videos at Fallen Tree 124. Until next time, my friends.